Hey loves, you're definitely welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a client makeup transformation for my client's baby's dedication, and it's a morning service, so this makeup is a very fast one. It took about 30 minutes. Let's get right in. By the way, if you're struggling on how to apply pigment and glitters on the eyes, then this video is for you. Please do well to watch this video to the end and let me know what you think on the comment section. Let me know what kind of content you want to see. I'll see you soon. gloves, I actually apply this setting mix from the So Pro Cosmetics. This actually sealed up the entire look and the makeup lasts long because around 8 p.m. that same evening, she gave me wonderful feedback. Here with me is the Mino Beauty lip stain. This is their new lip matte stain. It's very, very blendable. In fact, I love how the color actually came out and how easy it is for me to blend this product. As you can see, I deliberately did not fast forward this video. I'm taking my time just the way I did it on ground. That's how I'm giving it to you. Wetin I dey try talk na say this lip stain e no hard to blend at all. See say I don put for up, I still put for down the blender with very small brush and yet e dey blended, no harsh line. This your new lip stain is very, very nice and well pigmented. See just first application on the lower lip and now on the top lip. Like the product, they really, really did a good thing with this their recent upgrade. Please, guys, do check them out on Instagram. Their Instagram page is Mino Beauty. They got you covered. And then after blending, just see the way this thing blend together. Trust me, it is something you need to look out for. And then I apply the third color. Like easy to put three color for lip and they stay. See how beautiful, how lovely it is looking. Anyway, the gele guy did a thing with his own gele and then the fan from Sonia Craft. I'll drop their Instagram handles down below. Thanks for watching. My client is all ready and set for our baby's dedication. I hope you enjoyed everything about this video. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile, often remain positive, and bye guys.